All right, so let's look at this time when we have to figure out what are the intervals where f of x is decreasing, and we have been given, options of we can see an equation in standard form or vertex form or factored form. And so think about, these are just two different little quadratics, right? Quadratic just means it's going to have that parabola, that little U-shaped graph. And so when is it decreasing? Here for the green one, it's decreasing till we get to this point right here, and then it starts to increase. But the blue one is increasing until it gets right here, and then it starts to decrease. And so those are the times when this is decreasing, is in that, you can see that here. It's decreasing and it's decreasing here. And the reason is that we always read it from left to right. And so coming across from the left, this is decreasing and then it starts to increase. And then the blue one is increasing at first and then it starts to decrease. Okay. So as we think about that, let me change this. Okay. So think about the standard form is going to tell us where the y-intercept is. Well, this one has a y-intercept here. This one is somewhere, way below the graph. That doesn't have anything to do with whether it's decreasing or not. So that's not what I want to do. The vertex, though, is a really key point, right? It decreases until it gets to the vertex and then it increases, or it increases till it gets to the vertex and then it decreases. So vertex form is what we're looking for here. The factored form gives us those x-intercepts, and the x-intercepts, this one, the green one doesn't even have any, so that's not helpful at all. So we don't want that. Vertex form is what you want if you are figuring out where f of x is decreasing. I hope that helps you. See you next time.